the if statements. If statement is used in coding whenever there is a condition which is to be checked, right? So if a given condition is true, then we specify one output, and if the given condition is not true or false, then some other output is to be given, right? So for this, let's take a very simple example. For example, you have an air conditioner, right? And you specify the temperature of the room, right? And you say that if the temperature of the room is above a particular value, then the AC should be switched on and it should be switched off if the temperature is below a particular value. So let's start it with the coding and understand. So I define a variable temp and I say let the temperature or the room temperature here is 27, right? Now I'll use the if condition here. So please understand it very carefully. So I'll say if temp, the variable temp, is greater than 25. 25 is the reference temperature. So if it is greater than 25, so this is how we define the condition. If temp is greater than 25, I give a colon and I hit enter. Now please notice the indentation here. The moment we've hit enter, the cursor has not gone to the starting of line 3, but it is a bit shifted by a tab, right? So whatever you write in this will form the part of the if condition. So now what I want to tell Python to do, I want that if temp is greater than 25, I want this message to be printed at the output. So I'll say print. So if it is greater than 25, turn on the AC, right? So if only the temp is greater than 25, then the AC would be turned on. So let's run the code and see what is seen at the output terminal. Right, so it is printed turn on the AC. Why turn on the AC is printed? Because temp variable had the value 27, which is greater than 25. Now what would happen if I change the value of temp to 24, right? And I run the code. So nothing is printed at the output, right? So if condition is satisfied here, that if temp is greater than 25, print this on the output. But this is not looking good to me, that if a user is entering a value which is below 25, no message is seen at the output. So for these kind of situations, along with an if, we use an else. So how do we use an else? I hit the enter. Now the else statement is not the part of the if statement. It is an entirely different condition. So I have to come out of this indentation to come out of the if condition. So I'll come out, right? And now I specify else with a colon, again hit enter. Again this is having a indentation. So else I want to print a message which says turn off the AC, right? Now let's see and run the program. What happens at the output? Perfect. So turn off the AC. Why this message is coming? Because temp is having a value of 24, which is, so after checking the value of the variable temp, which is 24, the Python would move to the next line. It will check the condition if temp is greater than 25. So temp is not greater than 25, so it will not enter the part of the if condition here. It will straight away jump to the else condition here, right? So it will print turn off the AC. Whereas if I increase this to 32, right, now what would happen? Now temp is 32, so if temp is greater than 25, yes, temp is greater than 25, now it will execute this statement here. So let's check by hitting the run button. Beautiful. So it is turn on the AC. Now there is one more thing. With the help of if and else statements, we have been able to provide two conditions to the Python. That if the condition is this, print this. If else, print this. So whatever is the condition except temp greater than 25, it will print turn off the AC. What if you want to specify multiple conditions? So for that, if we want to specify multiple conditions, we can use elif in between, right? Now what is this elif? Elif is else, if, or otherwise if, right? So elif, I'll say elif temp is equal to, or I'll say, let's take less than 25, then it should print what it should print. It should print, so if it is greater than 25, turn on the AC. If it is less than 25, turn off the AC. Now what would happen if temp is equal to 25? Because that is the condition which we have not taken into account. So if temp is equal to 25, then also some message is to be printed. So for all the conditions which are not greater than 25 and not less than 25, I'll use else, right? So I'll say else print whatever message you want to give. So we'll say enjoy, right? So we'll say enjoy, and let's run the code. So see here, now here the temp is 32, which is this condition. So turn on the AC is printed. Let's check this condition if temp is less than 25. So I'll assign a value 20. Now temp is 20. So if temp is greater than 25, no, it is not greater than 25. So Python will not execute this line, but it will go and check the next condition. So next condition is elif temp is less than 25. Yes, temp is less than 25. So it will straight away execute this statement and it will print turn off the AC. So let's run it. Turn off the AC. And if temp is equal to 25, right? So print enjoy, right? So that is how we can make use of if, elif and else statements to provide the output based on some condition, right? So practice a lot on this code and I'll see you around. Yes, the exercise is specify the age of a person, and if the age is greater than 18, print a message you are eligible to vote, else print you are not eligible to vote. If any problems, write it down in the comment section. I'll resolve it for you. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.